Hey, this is Dan with DKR Labs, and today we're going to be figuring out a birthday gift for my brother and printing a custom minifig. Let's take care of business.
Honey.
Yeah?
It's your brother's birthday tomorrow. What are you gonna do?
I totally spaced it.
What can I do? I just got a 3D printer. It's just something I can do that combines his two favorite things, Elvis and Lego. Oh. Okay, come on Google, help me out here. Give me a silver bullet. Okay, no, this just isn't quite right. I want something that's Lego and Elvis. Wait. Oh, wow, check this out. A guitar, a microphone, and a cool cape. Oh, this is it. I'm buying this.
Alright. This looks really nice. He did a great job designing this. Okay. Yeah. Alright. So it's got two different chest plates. Okay, I'll go around. Let's look at the guitar. Wait a second. Something's not right here. It only has 4 bridge pins. It should have 6. Hey honey, can you work some magic on this and get 6 of these bridge pins instead of just 4?
Yeah. Let's see what we can do.
1 hour later.
Alright, honey. All set.
Perfect. Let's take care of business. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This was a really fun build to do, and it was a big hit on my brother's birthday. Him and his son are both fans of Elvis and Lego, and his son joked around about this might go missing. The most challenging part of this build was definitely the guitar. It had a lot of supports underneath the strings that were a challenge to remove, but all in all, it was a great build. I have to credit the creator. There's a lot of excellent detail. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button and ding the bell for notifications, and stay tuned for our next video.